How's it going everyone? Space Life here. In this episode I wanted to show you this really cool present I got given for my birthday from my girlfriend's family, and it's some mushroom growing kits. I'm going to focus on the yellow oyster mushrooms because they grew the fastest, but we've got some Namiko mushrooms as well, and I will put some updates up on them at some point. But yeah, this episode we're going to be showing you the whole growth of these mushrooms, and I might even get a chance to cut and cook some of them as well. On to the first clip of these crazy little mushrooms. So here are the mushrooms 2 days after we opened the box, and they're really impressive to be honest, because the box has already been injected with the mushroom spores, so there's no messing around. You just get these in the post and they're ready to go straight away. We actually had edible mushrooms that we could pick about 4 days after opening this box, and as you can see here, this was probably a day after the first video, and they're just coming along so fast. I was not expecting this, to be honest. So this video was taken about 5 days after we opened the box, and it's incredible really. You never would have thought that they could grow so quickly, and these yellow oyster mushrooms look so tasty, and I almost don't want to pick them because they look so cool, but I know I have to.
So it's now time to pick these golden oysters, and you can see they look really great. This is the first flush on these, so we're hoping to get plenty more to come. And once we've cut these off, we're going to just spray these again with water to rehydrate the medium, and then we should get more coming through pretty soon. But yeah, so first things first, we're going to cut these, and then we've got to decide what to cook. So yeah, considering this is the first time I've ever grown these, I'm really happy, and I really can't wait to try eating some of these tasty things. But yeah, let me know what you think. You impressed? Oh, hello.
The smell on these things is incredible.